How do you find your first customer right away? How do you find your second, third, fourth, 1,000, 10,000 customer on demand? How do you get consistent sales month after month so you're not going hungry a few months and you're not making money a few months? You don't have to put money from your pocket to keep your business going when you're not getting any business. Who are your customers? Where are they living? How do you reach out to them? What kind of messaging, what kind of pricing you need to present to them so they choose you over your competition and give you business right away, and you can still make a profit and continue to grow month after month? And the answer to all these questions is in your marketing plan. There are multiple choices you can make at every stage of your business, and your marketing plan helps you identify that one step that's going to help you the most in achieving your goals. Let me give you a few case studies and it'll make more sense. This woman who had just started her online coaching business, she had invested a good amount of money in building a website, and then I met her a month later and she told me that she wasn't focusing on her website anymore, that she went back to her old job because she didn't get enough customers and she needed money to survive. At the same time, I was working with another guy who had started his coaching business as well, so I recommended that he start a meetup group and then sell a high-end coaching. The effort it takes to sell $100 product is almost the same that takes to sell a $4,000, $5,000 product. The process is a little bit different, but that depends on your product and your customer. This way, if he can get even one customer a month, he has enough money to survive and to reinvest in his business and grow his business. This is still his primary business model. He gets 4 to 5 customers every single month using Meetup, where he makes almost $15,000 to $20,000. A client spent over $100,000 to build a customer management app, and he wasn't getting any customers. When I asked him what is the main USP for him, his answer was that his app is cheaper than every other product. Cheaper cannot be the best reason to sell your product. Anyone who has a good business are focusing on how your app can help them grow their business, manage their team well, increase their productivity, not how they can save money. That save money can be the final push where your app can do the same thing as everybody else can, or even better than what everybody else can, and still save you some money. And so I told him that he has to go back to the drawing board and find the reason connected to the person's productivity to increasing their revenue, and that's the only time they can get a sale. A female friend of mine had an Instagram with a following of almost 80,000 people, but she wouldn't get a single sale from that account, and she was really confused. She was posting all these pretty photos of her, and almost everyone who was following her were men from third world countries. These people are not going to buy lingerie and feminine products that you're advertising on your site. If you don't have a marketing plan, you get confused and you keep jumping from shiny object to shiny object without getting any results until you run out of money and you go out of business. A marketing plan is going to help you identify the best path to grow your business and achieve your business objectives. So if you know your best strategy is to get traffic from YouTube or having meetups in person, you're going to keep doing that until you know your pitch, your system, the flow that you have for sales is working. And then once you start getting revenue from that one channel, you automate that, then you can move to the next channel and keep adding more and more channels until you have an infinite flow of customers coming to your business. And this is what a marketing plan does. A marketing plan tells you who your customers are, where they are, how can you find the fastest customer right away, how can you get continuous stream of customers, how can you grow your business, how can you make a profit, who to hire, what kind of tasks you need to prioritize on, and get everything in a systematic order so you have the best chance at succeeding for your business. So hopefully by now you understand the importance of having a marketing plan and how it can help you start getting sales, start getting customers, start making you money, and how if you don't have a marketing plan, you can get lost and you can actually go out of business really quickly. There are two parts to a marketing plan, a launch plan and a growth plan. So in the next video series, I'm going to show you how to build your own launch plan, how to build your own growth plan, and apply them to your business so you can identify the best path, the best strategies for your business to start getting customers, to get consistent sales, grow your business, make a profit, and end up with a business that you can be proud of.